For the body, papaya contains calcium, vitamins, iron, minerals, and phosphorus. It contains a variety of digestive enzymes that aid in food digestion. It is low in calories and fat at the same time. Oranges not only taste good, but a 100-gram piece contains about 47 calories and contains other nutrients that keep your body healthy. Orange fiber can help control blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, which can help prevent cardiovascular disease. Oranges contain approximately 55 milligrams of calcium, or 6% of your daily requirement, making them ideal for dieting and weight loss. A banana is the best fruit for instant energy because it contains 105 calories. This fruit is much healthier than many packaged foods to eat after a workout, and it can also help with muscle cramps, blood pressure control, and acidity prevention. Watermelon is low in calories and high in water content, so eating it keeps your body hydrated and does not cause weight gain. Both eating watermelon and drinking its juice can help you lose weight. Strawberries are fat-free and low in calories, with no added sugar or sodium. By eating 1.5 cups of strawberries per day, you can protect your heart, increase HDL, good cholesterol, lower your blood pressure, and protect yourself from cancer. Strawberries are a low-calorie food that is high in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants known as polyphenols. You will not need to eat any outside snacks, which will help you maintain a healthy weight. Mango contains fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, and iron, which controls appetite. In this way, your weight is also under control. Furthermore, mangoes are the source of a compound known as mangiferin, which early studies suggest may be able to reduce inflammation of the heart. Mangoes can help stabilize your digestive system. Eating pomegranates or drinking the juice on a daily basis can boost your immunity, fight type 2 diabetes, keep blood pressure in check, smoothen digestion, and make your skin glow. Eating a red pomegranate every day can help you not only lose weight, but can also help you remove physical weakness. It is best to consume these fruits in a balanced manner. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.